Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your QR code in Instagram app. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to install the Instagram app. So as you can see, I have already installed it. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the interface like this. So we have to click on the profile section. As you can see, has an option. Now we have to click on this three lines. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will get a lot of options. So simply what we have to do, we have to click on this fifth option, which is called QR code. So let's click on this, and here your username will be written, and here you will get your QR code, and simply has an emoji. If you want to change your emoji, you can also do that. If you want to create an emoji, you can also do that. You have to select it. So I'm going to bake again. So I'm going to click on this again. So as you can see, if you want to copy the link, you can also copy the link as well. If you want to share the profile, you can also do that. It's up to you. I'm going to bake again. And now let's click on this. As you can see, if you want to scan someone else's QR code, you can also do that. As you can see, here's an option. You have to click on this, and after clicking on this, simply you just need to select the QR code. I'm going to bake again. So in this way, you can get your QR code and scan someone's QR code. You just have to follow these steps. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.